Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a Baseball 9 modded version for 2025 iOS and Android, as you can see right there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. It is super cool and it fully works. So basically what you need to do is just go over to this website. It's called zoomods.com and it has a ton of modded apps and stuff. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on the site, guys, all you got to do is just go to the search bar, type in Baseball 9, and as you can see, it comes up. So we're going to now begin the Baseball 9 mod download. So let's just let it download here, as you can see. So yeah, let's just let it load. So basically, guys, before it downloads, you will have to do a verification. This is where you download 2 apps and complete the instructions, and they're completely for free, and they're also from the official App Store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here just so you guys can see. So as you can see, guys, it says right here, please install some apps, automatically installing the mod afterwards. So I did Dice Dreams and like Family Island, and I just want to show you. My App Store breaks all the time, but you just download the app, you run it. I mean, they're really easy to do. And I mean, all of them are different. Some of them are like down, still run for 30 seconds. Some of them you got to run the app for longer. But if you complete this entire process, guys, you will get the Baseball 9 modded version. So be sure to try it out. You get unlimited everything, guys. It's super cool. So as you can see, I got unlimited everything. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are Baseball 9 aficionados, because all you got to do is complete this verification, guys, and you will get the Baseball 9 mod. So be sure to try it out. It's super easy. They have a thing down here that says complete 2 more offers. So if you do 2 of them and you follow the instructions, you will get the Baseball 9 mod. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, guys.